It's 7 p.m. on January 1st. You told yourself this is it, the year you finally hit your goals, gain real freedom, and actually build the life you've been dreaming of. So there you are, sitting at your desk. Laptop open. You're supposed to be working on your new business. At least, that's what you told yourself. But 3 hours later, after 48 YouTube videos, a few research detours, and endless scrolling, you're still in the same spot. No progress, no results, just guilt. Everyone wants to get in shape. Everyone wants to start a business, but most never do. And the harsh truth, it's because their brains are a mess. And if your brain's a mess, your life will be too. If you want to build something great, you need one skill above all: focus. The ability to lock in on a single goal for hours, days, even months without losing your edge. But if your mind is constantly overstimulated, how can you expect to stay focused on anything? So here's how to clean up your brain and get things done. Let's be honest, focus is the foundation of success. But what is focus, really? It's the ability to give 100% of your attention to one thing. No noise, no background tabs, no distractions. The problem, we've trained ourselves to need constant stimulation. You can't even watch a 2-minute video without checking your phone or scrolling the comments. That's not multitasking. That's mental self-sabotage. You've conditioned your brain to crave distractions. And if you keep feeding that craving, your ability to focus will completely disappear. So here's a challenge. Turn off your phone completely. Leave it in another room for 24 hours. You will how quickly realize you're not addicted to the phone, you're re-addicted to distraction. And if you don't fix that, nothing else in this video will matter. To break it, follow this 30-day focus protocol for 30 days. Divide your day into 30-minute blocks from the moment you wake up to when you sleep. Track what you do in each block. At the end, look back and you'll see exactly how much time you waste on pointless stuff. Then eliminate it. Cut the noise. Remove the useless habits. It's simple, but life. Now for part 2, you're lost. Most people don't even know what to do with their life because they have no idea what they actually want. When you don't know what you want, you can't know where to start. So you stay stuck, overthinking, confused, waiting for a clarity that never comes. This stage has a name. The empty. It's that frustrating place where you want to do something big, but you don't know what or how. So you end up doing nothing. And most people stay there forever. The way out, you need to enter the zone. You've felt it before, that flow state when you reach so deep in something that time disappears. Maybe it was a video game, a sport, a project. Everything else fades away, you're just locked in. That's the zone. And once you live there, confusion disappears. All that remains is progress. To reach that state, ask yourself one simple question. Where do I actually want to go? Don't overthink it. Sit with yourself until you have the answer. Then map out the steps to get there and commit to taking daily action. Because the zone isn't magic. It's just pure, consistent focus on one path day after day until you arrive. Finally, part 3, your inputs are garbage. You live inside a system, wake up, go about your day, sleep, repeat. That system has inputs and outputs. The inputs are your food, sleep, habits, and energy. The outputs are your performance, focus, and results. Garbage in, garbage out. If you eat junk, sleep terribly, and scroll endlessly, you'll think like junk too. You've experienced it, you read a page of a book, and immediately forget it. That's not bad memory. That's poor input. If you expect to build something meaningful while fueling yourself with trash, you're fooling yourself. So before you chase new goals, fix your foundation, improve your inputs, your diet, your rest, your routines. Because no matter how good your plan is, if the engine running a tour body and brain is broken, you'll never reach your destination. When you start feeding your mind and body properly, the results come faster, cleaner, and easier. Your thoughts get sharper, your focus tightens, your brain finally cleans itself up. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that subscribe button and join the community. See you in the next one.